Hey guys, welcome back to the video series of Companies Act 2013. For better updation, please like and subscribe this channel. Here we start with Chapter 2 covering section from 3 to 22. So let us start with Section 3. Section 3 is formation of a company, in which we will study the law relating to formation of a company. The law relating to formation of a company. So, it says a company can be formed for any lawful business. Lawful business here means which is legal and permitted by the law of country. Which is legal and permitted by the law of country. So, a company can be formed for any lawful business by first 7 or more persons as a public company in which there are 7 or more persons, 2 or more persons as a private company in which there are 2 or more persons, or by only one person as OPC in which there is only one person. So we have these three choices. We can form a company, either a public company or a private company or a OPC. Okay. Next, the company so formed can be either of the following. First, a company limited by shares, or a company limited by guarantee, or unlimited company. These are classified on the basis of liability of members of the company. Classified on the basis of liability of members of the company. Okay. So, summing up here is Section 3 sums up as a company can be formed for any lawful business by 7 or more person as a public company, 2 or more person as a private company, or by only one person as OPC. Also, companies so formed can be either company limited by shares, or company limited by guarantee, or unlimited company. Detailed description of these terms are in the upcoming series. Details about what is a company, what is a private company, what is a public company, what is OPC, what is company limited by shares, what is company limited by guarantee, or what is unlimited company. These are discussed in the upcoming slide. So, please stay tuned and have a cheerful time.